November 2023, right? So yeah, now we're talking, and now I'm here a year ago. And just want to give you that when the recruiter looking for our profiles, it's not just only what is your skill. You're good on Python, you're good on Java, but mostly they're looking for your successor. Like how many projects that you deliver, how many POC or sections you deliver. And also if you have some sample, it's more concrete that they want to see. So luckily that I have present like this, but in OpenStack a couple years ago, so I put my link on YouTube. And then, yeah, they can see what my style on the stage, right? That how do I strict or how I funny or how do I present it, right? That they can see what I'm capable of and what it look like. So you may imagine that how many LinkedIn, right? You know LinkedIn, everyone know. But did you know that every 7 minutes, every minute, 7 people get hiring. I'm the one that get hiring as well from LinkedIn, right? Because Jocelyn pinged me. Do you know that in 1 minute, it's around 10,000 people that apply for a job, right? And then this one is 2025. They already have 1.1 billion users in LinkedIn. So you think that how much big of the data is they have in LinkedIn. So in 2023, Mr. Singh looking for the database that can support their workload, right? They have their own database, right? They have Espresso, they also have the Oracle and MySQL, right? So he's looking for the new database that can serve their workload at LinkedIn, because it's everyone nowadays looking for the job, post the job in LinkedIn, right? So they already have it. They already have Espresso. They're already using Oracle, MySQL. But the problem is they're using Espresso. They can scale. They like NoSQL, right? But it's not consistency. Right? You know that NoSQL is good for scale, but the problem is it's called eventually consistency, meaning that it's not consistency all across the board, right? So Espresso can serve for the scale, but not consistency. Another hand that they have Oracle, MySQL, is consistency, but it's not easy to scale, right? We have, previous my section, they also have database talking about distributed, right? So it's the same idea that how we're gonna bring two both worlds together, right? So Mr. Singh that telling in the YouTube, you can find in the Google and then checking how LinkedIn evaluate the distributed database, right? TiDB is the one that they choose, but they're looking for the consistency and scalability. That's the key for them, right? How you scale of 1 billion user and also consistency all across the board. Right? Let's say I need to post hiring someone. Right? I believe that in Indonesia, you should see that my updated. In Malaysia, in Canada, right, or India, should see my updated the information so that it's scale and consistency. Right? So he tests multiple databases as well. I don't want to go more detail, but what we impress them, not just only the performance, but it's on the high availability or resiliency as well, right? Because it's our distributed database that have also protected the data as well. There was a story in Japan, which is they're running on TiDB on AWS, which is 3 AC. One of the AC on AWS in Japan down, right? Normally, if the database, it should be go down as well, and the data should be corrupt. But in that case, one of AWS AC down, but the data is recovery in 18 seconds, I believe. Yeah, 18 seconds. And no data loss. Just resubmit some command, right? So that's the key that we provide into our TiDB. I don't want to go for more detail because I'm pre-sales, not the engineer. But if you want to more detail, we can talk at the booth. Right, so yeah, so Mr. Singh that talking about it, how he evaluate. So the two key things that he want to evaluate is consistency and scale, right? And our TiDB that provide both of it, that can scale. We're doing the distributed and using MySQL protocol, right? And then we make sure that all the data that submit into database is consistency. So that is our TiDB. So this is a two project pilot that will link in. We'll be using our TiDB as a pilot. The first one is an enterprise platform, which is integrated with the business that want to integrate the information in LinkedIn that provide professional data to submit or hiring. Another one is marketing that designed for help to audience in LinkedIn to know the company that may be startup or want to marketing or introduce their company in LinkedIn. Right, so this is some of the customer that might know. You guys know like Shopee, Capcom, Bowl, Line, and Trip.com, all of it that using TiDB. And I just want to say that it's not all using only TiDB, right? I believe no application, no company, only one database. But this is the one that they're using us for the mission critical, right? So for example, Line, in Thai we also using Line, not WhatsApp, not Messenger, WeChat. We most is using Line. Line is Messenger, right? So basically he's testing on us, and then he said that it's really easy to scale out and scale in, right? Using just a command to tie up. Today I want to scale for more storage. Using tie up to scale more storage. Today we have more connection like maybe Predee, like 1111 or 33. We just scale out for TiDB, which is a compute node. Just only one command you can scale out. That's from Line. Bolt, you may have heard about Grab, right? Uber. Bolt is another one that quite popular right now in Thailand as well. So they're running on store the critical application on our TiDB. And you may see that it's around 35K QPS, right? So in Thailand, we also have one of the biggest credit card in Thailand. In the night, there will be a bad job. The transaction of QPS is around 130 QPS that happens every night, which is the one that I taking care of and taking for them. So we see that we can going further a lot of performance, and it's quite linear when you scale out. Another one is Capcom, right? I see someone is quite aged, right? Like me, or someone is still young. You may heard about the games now, Monster Hunter, right? It's quite worldwide. Everyone know it. My kid is also know it. Yeah, this is a new version, right? Monster Hunter. Why? Start using our TiDB to keep all the stats of the games. Keep the item that you bought or monster that you kill. Yeah, everything is on TiDB, right? The key is they're using our TiDB cloud as well, right? The performance expectation. Oh, I forgot to tell you that actually we are the open source. So as of today, you guys can download and then setting up for free, right? And also we also have provide the services and the support from our company. And another one is TiDB Cloud, which is a full managed service. So you don't need to set up by yourself. You just, hey, I want 1 terabyte database, and then it's just created, and it can be scaled out easily. So why I talk TiDB to you? Why TiDB is important to you in this room? 5 minutes, very fast. Okay. Why important to you, right? Because you can see that a big company using it. LinkedIn, Line, Shopee, Bowl, right? So I believe that you guys should have the skill to have it, right? So that when you update in your LinkedIn profiles, someone that's scanning your profile and say, oh, you have TiDB skill, right? So that it create more your opportunity to work, opportunity to have more, job opportunity. And we offering the free training. You just go into TiDB and search for training. We give for the training for learn SQL, which is normal SQL. But if you are Java, we also have provide the Java for TiDB that we customize for Java learning. And also we provide the certificate as well. So you can put the badge into LinkedIn that, oh, I have certificate from TiDB. So it's gain more interesting from the recruiter that you have certificate, right? So I believe that everyone have it. So that's why I believe that why it's important to you that you should learn ThaiDB today, right? That's why you should not catch the trend that happen in the future. I mean, the trend that everyone talking about the distributed database, ThaiDB is one of it. I don't want you to lose the trend. So that's why. And today, if you're searching for ThaiDB Cloud, we also offering for free database. Right? It's a serverless, so you can create your own database in Medellin right now. You just sign in using Google, GitHub, or Microsoft. And it's giving for 5 gigabyte for free. You can use it, right? After you register, you got the first cluster databases. We also have a sample to using or testing on like the AI, Next.js or data API. And the last one that I test myself many times is chat to query. So sometimes that I can't think that what is a statement select, form where, filter, right? So sometimes I just, what is the top 10 of revenues? It will be convert from the natural language to SQL for you. And this is the beauty of the serverless that you can try today. And also we have the vector AI as well. So it's a foundation of the AI. So you have a LLM, you have embedded, but at least you need to have foundation, which is a database. So we also provide the vector database as well in the ThaiDB. So, and last but not least, if you stop by at our booth, right? We have a form, you just scan QR code, put a form. We will print up the NFC name card. You can put in your back of the phone. After that, it will show you the profile, look like here. And yeah, you can add a contract. So you have a business card in NFC card. So yeah, please stop by our booth, just next door. Look for ThaiDB. All right. I think I'm time's up. If you guys have a lot of questions, please visit our booth. And then thank you. ขอบคุณครับ